Hi, this is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. Should you use open targeting? Pros and cons of that. If you like content like this around Facebook and Instagram advertising, please give me a like and subscribe. But let's jump into it. Should you be using open targeting in your Facebook and Instagram ads? Well, first, let me explain what it really is. I'm here in my Facebook Ads Manager. I'm on the ad set level. And what it is simply where you can choose your country that you can deliver to, and otherwise it's just open. No age. You can, if you're absolutely sure that it's only a certain age group, then you can of course narrow it down. But open targeting is really where you don't put any limitations on. You can also use all genders unless you're very sure that it's only one gender. But remember, women may buy things for their husbands, and husbands may buy things for their wives. So try all genders. But it's with no detailed targeting. So you don't add in any interest group and no lookalike, no custom audience or anything like that. And you just let Facebook figure out who to serve it to. And here I have it set for the United States, and you can see here it's 229,300,000 to 270 million people. So it's a very big group of people. But if you have the pros and cons, well, if you have a Facebook account, ad account and pixel where you had some purchases before, then it's really great to test open targeting, because then Facebook and your ad account already knows what is a purchase, who's likely to purchase from you. Then it's great to use open targeting. But even if you have a brand new ad account, you can also test open targeting, especially if you're selling a product that has broad appeal, like jewelry or apparel or food or something for the home, or something that a lot of people may be interested in. Then you can still test open targeting. But if you are selling a very niche product like fly fishing or hiking boots or something for dog training, or even narrower than that, then it may not work that well. You can always test it anyway, but then it's probably better to test it when you have some purchases, because a large audience often makes the ads cheaper. But it may take a little bit of time for Facebook to optimize, because they have such a large group of people that they have to kind of go through and test. So give it some time, and also give it some ad budget. Hope it helps, and if you have any comments, if you have any questions, comment below. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, share it with your friends, and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. If you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me or my team. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook group, Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Link in the description. Take care. Bye.